Looking for an affordable e-bike? We exhaustively researched the best reasonably priced e-bikes and bought the top 8 to test and compare side by side. Our diverse selection includes the full spectrum of e-bike styles. We rigorously tested these bikes head-to-head for several weeks while scrutinizing every aspect of their performance. We focused on and rated each model on the predetermined metrics of ride quality, distance range, power output, user interface, and ease of assembly. No matter your needs or budget, there's an electric bike for you. The first product on our list is Ancheer, an EB001 26-inch electric mountain bike. The Ancheer EB001 is an affordable mountain-style e-bike that boasted consistently solid performance across all of our testing metrics. It rolls on 26-inch wheels and has comfortable and steady handling that is enhanced by its girthier, slightly knobby tires that help to dampen the ride. It has a good range of seat adjustment, with an adjustable stem, and it was overall a very comfortable ride. Its 250 watts rear hub motor is capable of propelling it up to 17 miles per hour with the throttle, and the 3-pedal assist modes provide a nice range of support to magnify your pedaling input. The 288 watt-hours battery is on the smaller side, but we still found it to have a respectable distance range. The suspension fork and knobby tires also increase its versatility and help make this bike suitable for light-duty off-road use. While perfectly functional, the controls and display of the EB001 were far from the best we tested. We aren't sure how much thought went into the ergonomics of the control buttons, which we found somewhat challenging to access with the thumb while riding. Our taller testers also found the range of seat height adjustment inadequate, and those with long legs may need to customize this bike with a longer seat post. Beyond that, we were generally impressed by the overall performance of this affordable electric bike. The next product on our list is Ancheer Folding 16-inch electric bike. The Ancheer Folding is a quality folding e-bike and an impressive value. While it can't quite compete with more traditional non-folding models in terms of its ride quality, it performs surprisingly well across all of our other rating to its top throttle speed of 17.5 miles per hour, along with 3-pedal assist modes with a good range of pedaling support. Considering the bike's small wheels, folding design, and 288 watt-hours battery, we were quite impressed with its distance range of just over 15 miles in full electric/throttle mode. The battery also has a handle for easy removal, and we appreciate the front and rear fenders to help keep you dry. While it offers folding convenience, the Ancheer Folding does require tools to remove the handlebar to get it to its most compact size. The folding design, along with its 16-inch wheels, also gives it a less stable ride quality than the larger-wheeled competition. Additionally, the controls and display leave a bit to be desired despite their functionality. Beyond those concerns, we still feel that this bike is an impressive value. The next product in our list is Macwheel 26-inch electric bike. The Macwheel 26-inch electric bike is an affordable Class 2 e-bike with a throwback cruiser style that impressed us with its distance range. In fact, it bested every other bike we tested during our range testing by going just over 21 miles without even pedaling while using the throttle only. The larger, 360 watt-hours battery capacity helped the Macwheel go the distance, but it also seems to use that power quite efficiently. It has a retro look with a low, step-through frame that makes it easy to mount and dismount, and a large range of seat and handlebar adjustments to fit a wide range of user heights. It's a comfortable bike with a casual, upright seated position and a laid-back ride quality. The Macwheel has 5-pedal assist output settings as well as a throttle, and it has no problem reaching its top speed of 15.5 miles per hour. It also comes equipped with user-friendly features like fenders, a rear cargo rack, and a headlight. With a 250 watts rear hub motor, the Macwheel can't match the power output or top speeds of the faster, more powerful competition. This lower power output, however, is one of the main reasons it can travel such a long distance on a single charge. While the controls have decent ergonomics, the simple LED display shows only the most basic information and can be challenging to see in bright light conditions. Beyond that, We feel this good-looking affordable electric model is a solid option for the rider who prioritizes distance over speed. The next product is Ancheer 27.5-inch Blue Spark electric bike. The Ancheer Blue Spark proved to be a tester favorite and bested the competition with its power. This mountain-style model was one of the most powerful bikes we tested, with a 350 watts rear hub motor and a top throttle speed of 20 miles per hour. Its larger 374 watt-hours battery also translated directly to one of the longest distance ranges of all the models we tested, traveling just over 20 miles in our range test with the throttle only. Testers also loved the ergonomic handlebar-mounted controls and the excellent, easy-to-read digital display that provides information like current speed, remaining battery life, pedal assist mode, and more. It has a traditional mountain bike style with fast-rolling, 27.5-inch wheels that provide steady handling and plenty of stability at speed, along with a suspension fork and wider tires that enhance its versatility and comfort. While we loved the crisp digital display on the Blue Spark, we were somewhat dismayed that it didn't come with instructions. It would have been nice to change its units from kilometers to miles. Also, while it has a suspension fork and knobbier tires, we would hesitate to recommend the Blue Spark for any serious off-road use beyond smooth dirt roads and paths. Otherwise, we found little not to like about this powerful model. The next product is Nakto 26-inch 250 watts cargo. The Nakto City 26-inch cargo impressed our testers with its distance range, comfort, and wealth of useful features. This step-through cruiser-style bike is easy to mount and dismount and has a comfortable, upright-seated body position. The 250 watts rear hub motor quickly gets this bike up to its top throttle and pedal-assisted speed of 20 miles per hour on flat terrain. The 360 watt-hours battery is easily removable for charging and helped this bike be one of the top performers in our distance range testing. Its ride quality was generally calm and collected with smooth, predictable handling and good stability at speed. We also loved that it came with user-friendly features like fenders, a headlight, an electric horn, a covered basket, and a rear cargo rack. We feel the cargo carrying capabilities make this bike a fantastic option for trips to the market, post office, or to and from the office. While we loved the wealth of features, it made assembling the Nakto a little more involved and time-consuming than most. It wasn't difficult by any means, but it took an hour to complete the process. We were also a little underwhelmed by this bike's pedal assist system. Not only were the display and controls quite basic, but it only has one pedal assist level. It works, it's just a little less sophisticated than some of the other bikes we tested. That said, we still feel this is a quality, comfortable e-bike with a great range and cargo capacity. Thanks for watching and hope you liked it. As always, all the links about the products will be in the description below, so if you want to find the best prices and more information that we might not get a chance to mention in the video, be sure to check them out.